Welcome back everyone. Just going to give you a quick update because it's been a bit quiet on the videos recently. There's been quite a lot going on. We've got some repair work to do on cars to keep us going. Trailers suffered a little bit of damage here, so I've got to repair this bracket. This I made a couple of years ago to clip on there, stop that flapping around while you're driving, so that needs redoing. Now, as with this Sierra, I'm waiting on ordering the steel to start doing the repair on the inner sills and stuff. I'll probably order that this week. I did order some steel a couple of weeks ago, but I made a mistake and ordered the wrong size, so that's purely my fault. We'll have to order some more this week, hopefully. And then this is my old welding bench, the one I started out on. We're going to get cutting this up and turning it into a fire pit for us for around the garden whenever it's cool in the evenings. Managed to get some of this expanded steel offcuts out of work, which will do. A few other little projects going on, like we've got a display stand to finish for the handlebars and a few other little bits and pieces, so that's why we've been quiet. But hopefully now there'll be a bit more starting to go on over the next few weeks. I probably will film the fire pit just to get an extra video on for you lot to see what we're doing. And like I say, once the steel shows up, the 1.2 for this inner sills in that Seirra, I can make a start on that when I can next get up to Paul's lockup, so we can do some more on taking the other Seirra apart. I'm not sure at the minute. We'll have to just play that by ear and see how we get on. Don't forget, if you like what we're doing, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe and keep up to date with more videos to come over the next few weeks. Leave your comments below and we'll get back to any that we need to answer.